Hello friends and welcome to Tech Global. Today in this video we are going to fix problem associated in WordPress while downloading backup file for all-in-one WP migration tool to migrate the website. The problem is download of backup file stuck either in 9.4 MB or never download. So let's get started. Now in this video we are going to download backup file of WP all-in-one migration tool. This is my website. I have pretty big website and I want to transfer this website to another domain and hosting. This website contains all the Android Studio projects, Codeler projects and coronavirus latest updates. So for downloading backup file, go to all-in-one WP migration plugin and try to download the backup file that you have restored. Even increasing its import and export uploading and downloading size and trying to download for multiple times it does not download. Now follow my steps. First log into cPanel of your website. And go to File Manager. Go to htdocs. WP content. Backups. Download the backup file. Wait until file is downloading. If you are making a website through localhost, then go to htdocs, WP content, backups and download the file. That's it. Problem solved.